Hi, Kiwi. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. The sun is shining. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. What do you like to do in the park?
I love to walk around and look at the flowers. What about you?
I like to watch the birds. They're so colorful. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals. I like birds and squirrels. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog's. They're so pretty. Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read stories about animals. Do you have a favorite book?
I love books about adventure. They're so exciting. Do you like to play games?
Yes, I like playing ball games. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like to play badminton. It's so fun. Do you like ice cream?
Yum, I love ice cream. My favorite flavor is strawberry. What's yours?
Mine is chocolate. It's so yummy. Let's go get some after the park.
Good idea. Let's go. Did you enjoy learning with Bee and Kiwi? If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more fun adventures. Hit the bell so you never miss a video.